Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. That Mega Ampharos, I hope I pronounced that right, is now back out in rays, ladies and gentlemen. The hundo number you were looking for is 1630. Weather boosted is 2037. It is electric and a dragon type. So it's weak to ice, ground, dragon, and fairy. All right, you only need about 2 trainers to take it down. The shiny odds is 1 out of 128. That's a little but it's still shiny possible. All right, this is a air A-tiered Pokemon that is also good in the Great League. All right, so you're gonna be looking for that 0, 13, 15 attack, defense, HP. All right, go ahead, guys. You're gonna need this for that Mega. All right, you're gonna need it for the Mega. So if you catch a shiny, a hundo, or shenando, drop in the comments so I can see. Other than that, good luck to you guys, and I'm gonna see you in the raids, man. I'm gonna see you in the raids, man. I'm gonna see you out here because I need to shine it.